Good afternoon, it's EMS Automotive. We're talking about new parts for the 49 to 52 Chevrolet that we're coming out with in 2023. What we have now new is the lower door post support bracket. That's this bracket here. This is made out of 1/8 .140 to 125 steel, stamped in Detroit with all that. Now this is twice as thick, almost 3 times as thick as 18 gauge, 125 thousandths. This bolts to the frame. Okay, from here it goes on a car like this. It bolts to the frame. It goes, and we'll show you later in the car. Here's your floor pan. This is the brace underneath. Your 213 upper floor brace comes here. And this is all bolted to the frame. The important thing about this is this part supports the whole front door post. So when you have cowl shake, dashboard shake, windshields cracking, that's because this brace is starting to fail, or y'all put in one of those Chinese tissue paper black ones that are made out of 22 gauge that are only 25 thousandths or 30 thousandths thick, and it's moving. We're going to go over to a car and we're going to show you how it works. Okay, we're back in our research center, the only company in the restoration industry that has a research center over 25,000 square feet in Detroit to do research on old cars. We're the only company. We're in it. Those other Chinese importers don't have nothing. We're talking about the front door support brace. Now you have the cameraman come on the back side over here, and this is the piece here. It's right here like this. This bolts to the frame. And as I told you, as this bolts to the frame, we got the floor pan, we got the inner rocker, outer rocker, and the cameraman's going to come around. We got the outer rocker, we got the whole lower door post brace, which we have that new also, and that's going to be a different part of the video here. And if we come around on this side, we can see the 213 the inner support for it. So as I mentioned before, this supports the whole door post. Yeah, we got it laying on the firewall. Okay, so this is your door this way, and this is your dashboard up here. Okay, this is what supports this whole thing. If this thing flexes, your whole dashboard and everything is going to give you the cowl shake. That's why we made it out of extra heavy 125 thousandths material, 1/8 steel. So it's not going to move. It's going to keep it firm. Now, new for 2023 is our lower door post outer piece. That's this right here. It goes here. Okay. It looks like it's sitting funny. This piece actually is part of the inner rocker area, and it goes under the outer rocker. So we got the outer rocker here. You see the seam. This is going to kick up underneath that, and then the rocker sits on top of that. But notice how we sit. All the holes are lining up. All the flanges are lining up, and this will fix as you do the rocker rust and the floor pan rust on the inside. It all rusts. Now this is a 3-piece kit, because it also has to include the inner door post. I got to move around so the cameraman can get in here. No, you need to come around this way. And this goes on the inside like that. Okay, that's your interior surface. And we also have your 3 holes. That's your 3 holes for your door hinge. We're putting that support goes in here like this, because when it goes in here, it bolts through, and this supports the whole thing. This goes on the inside and bolts together like that. And then that's the stiffener for the hinge. So that's part of this. As you see here, as we were talking about, we got the inner piece, the 2013, not 2000, part number is 213. It goes in there, that's your, and with the outer piece, we build the whole thing. So we have the floor pin, we have the inner post, we got the outer, we have the reinforcement on the inner, and the main door post. All EMS, all made heavy duty steel.